स्टार्ट हो जाओ।
ओके, गुड मॉर्निंग ऑल ऑफ यू। सो आज जैसे कि आप सभी जानते हैं कि हम लोग आज यहाँ पर हमारे जो प्रदेश के माननीय शिक्षा मंत्री हैं अरविंद पांडे जी, उनसे मुलाकात करने के लिए एकत्रित हुए हैं। और कल भी हम यहाँ पर मिलने आए थे, हमारे माननीय श्री मंत्री वंशीधर भगत जी से भी मुलाकात हुई थी। और विषय आप सभी को पता है कि NIOS डीलेट का जो प्रकरण चल रहा है और वर्तमान में ये मामला विचाराधीन है हाई कोर्ट में नैनीताल में। तो इसके आगे अब क्या प्रक्रिया चल रही है और हम लोग यहाँ पर क्यों उपस्थित हुए हैं और आगे की क्या कार्रवाई होनी है, इस विषय में हमारे जो NIOS डीलेट जो हमारा संघ है कालसी सहिया और चक्राता का, हमारे जो वहाँ के अध्यक्ष हैं माननीय श्री संदीप सिंह जी, वो इस बारे में थोड़ा विस्तृत से आप सबको जानकारी देंगे। तो संदीप जी, आपका बहुत बहुत स्वागत है कि आप यहाँ पर मौजूद हैं हमारे साथ। So first of all, we just want to know what is the case and why do we have gathered here and what are the questions what we want to put to the Honorable Education Minister Mr. Arvind Pandey ji, and what are the questions that we have made to ask them, and what is about the case which is already in the Nainital High Court,
right.
And there are lots of questions among all the students.
Okay, I'll just answer your questions one by one. Okay, so first of all, you put up your one questions,
Yeah.
which might be like regarding why we are here.
Where?
Okay,
Sure.
so first of all, very good morning to everyone, and you can see these are all the DLED aspirants and who have done DLED from the NIOS. So if you remember back in 2018 or 17, so the government passed a bill that every teacher has to be qualified. Okay, and there was some teachers in the private schools, they did not have any diploma, or some of the teachers were not to a purpose.
Okay.
And the government said that a student is a consumer and the school is a service provider.
Okay.
So it is the right of a student to get the quality education and the right services, and he has a choice to choose a qualified teachers. The government, they issued a bill, and they also opened a kind of window in the NIOS that every teacher can pursue DLED from the NIOS.
Okay.
Okay, and we all of us are already working teachers, and some of us are well qualified.
So,
some of us
Sandeep Singh ji,
are.
What is the case? What is the conflict between the two?
Yeah,
the
let me come
DLED,
in.
which is conducted by the state government, that is a diet through diet,
Yes, I'm
and
coming
the
to the
DLED
point,
what
yes.
we have done through the
I'm coming.
NIOS. So there is a conflict between these two parties now. So what is the we can say, what is the vision of the government towards the NIOS DLED?
The vision was to make the teachers qualified.
Okay.
Okay. If you compare the DLED from NIOS as to that of diet, so the syllabus is same, course content is same, and we also went through the same process.
Yes, sure.
But the point,
But
the
still
issue
the
is
government
coming.
is
The
denying.
government says that we are not eligible for this government post because
on,
we have
on
done.
what grounds they are denying?
They are
The
saying
fact-
that we have done it from open board,
Okay.
which is NIOS, and we have completed this course in 18
But
months.
as we know that it is going through all over the country, it is conducted by the Ministry of the MHRD Ministry, and it is conducted by the
Yes,
central
of course.
government,
Yeah, of
and
course.
under the leadership of the Honorable Prime Minister Mr.
Yes,
Narendra
of
Modi,
course.
it is conducted throughout the country.
Yes.
So why now the state is denying with the fact that these students from the NIOS are not eligible for the government post and they are eligible only to work in the private schools? What is the reason behind that?
So there
Just
is,
want to come to know that.
see, there is only confusion.
Okay.
There is technical issue. Because of that, they are not considering us for the government post. Okay, and that issue is also laid in the Honorable High Court.
Okay.
And we are fighting, and we are almost at the part of winning. So we are almost winning. So we have gathered here to just
Do you know how many students are who are passed to NIOS? I think there is 37,000 students.
Yes, exactly 37,000 are
And
there.
what are the eligibility criteria to become a teacher in a government schools? I think it should be
For primary teachers, we have to qualify DLED.
DLED
Okay, we have to be DLED qualified.
and also the TET, first or
TET.
second. I
So
think.
all of us have qualified TET.
So what are
and
the
DLED
exact
as well.
number of the students who are eligible for that post?
And we think we are 300 or something like that.
I think 350
Yeah,
students are there.
350 students are
So
there.
how many vacancies are there which is issued by the state government?
It is around 2,600.
2,600. So it
2,600.
means we only need 300 posts.
Yes.
And
So
after getting the 300 posts,
Yes.
still so many posts are vacant, which we can be filled through those who have done
our
through the-
demand is that government should look into the matter properly,
Yeah,
and
sure.
they should go through all the documentation, which they should look at our qualification and the certificates provided by the governments. Okay. And
Now-
on the basis of that, we all should be included in this recruitment legally. This
Okay.
is our requirement.
So we don't have any issues against that diet DLED. We don't
No,
have
we
any
don't
issue
have
with
any
the
issue with
BEd.
the diet. We don't have any issue with the beard aspirants as
Yes.
well.
We
And
just
I
want
think
that
all of
it
us
should
will
be judicial to all
accommodated.
the candidates. It should be judicial to all the.
Yes, of course. And it is a judicious.
Okay,
matter.
one more last question to
Yes,
you.
of course.
So today we have gathered here.
Right.
So what are the questions which we will put towards the honorable education ministers? What do we want him to do for the NIOS aspirants?
We don't have any question. I think the government body and even these leaders and the ministers already know what the issue is.
Okay.
We are going to aware them of the fact that please consider us on the basis of the certificates and the diplomas they have provided us.
Okay.
Nobody can claim that these diplomas and certificates are baseless, or like as the people are saying that.
So
these
what do
are
you think? They will
not
listen
legal.
to us? They will.
They will definitely. We have full cooperation from the government,
Okay.
and I think they are just considering our demands, and they are looking into the matter properly. Yesterday we met with the honorable Bansila Bhagatji
Bhagatji,
and
okay.
honorable
Haran
Singh
Rawat ji.
Rawat ji, and they have just assured us that the justice will be rendered to us, and there will be no justice against us.
Okay.
And we have full confidence in the government that, and even in the
They will do justice
competent
to all
authority working in the government bodies, that they will just provide justice to us.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.